Hello everyone, welcome to my class. In this video I'll be showing the difference between distance and displacement. So therefore I'm now driving from my home to school. So while I'm going from home to school, the way I go is like zigzags. Like you can see that it's not straight way. So by this I'm aiming to measure the distance. So I have and then from Google Earth or Google Map I can also measure the displacement, and later on I'll explain what is displacement and what is distance by drawing on the map and showing my distance results measured by my car.
Okay, let's make conclusion about my trip. So this was the starting point. As you can see, it was 0 kilometer. Once I finished my trip, it was 5.9 kilometer, which is the total distance traveled. And while I'm shooting this video, I have also recorded the time according to my camera. The total distance has traveled in 11 minutes 16 seconds, which will be around 0.2 hours. Well, here we have screenshots from map, and this is my pathway. This is my trip. I have driven my car from my house to school. You can see it is curved way. And this is the displacement according to Google Map from my house to my workplace. You can see the values here, 4.185 kilometers to the southeast is the displacement, and the total distance is, as we said, 5.9 kilometer. Well, let's see the definition. What is displacement and what is distance? So displacement is a vector quantity that refers to minimum distance from initial to the final point. So this is the minimum distance from initial point to the final point, and we call it displacement, and we have to state the direction as well. Therefore, it's called vector quantity. Well, distance is a scalar quantity that refers to how much ground an object has covered during its motion. So my car has covered this much ground during this motion. So this is the total distance traveled. So why do we need for displacement and why do we need for distance? We need displacement in physics to calculate average velocity. Velocity also vector quantity, as I mentioned in my previous video. Velocity is equal to displacement over time. So accordingly, velocity is equal to displacement is, if we round, 4.2 over 0.2 time taken, 0.2 hours. And accordingly, velocity will be 21 kilometer per hour. So why do we need for distance? We need total distance to calculate average speed. So we have average speed equation here. Average speed is equal to distance, total distance traveled over total time taken. Accordingly, 5.9 is our total distance over time taken is 0.2 hours. Then average speed will be 29.5 kilometer per hours. So from here also we can see that velocity and speed are not same. One is showing our speed to the certain direction. One is showing our average speed during the journey. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next videos.